So this is pretty simple. What do we got? Close I can find 5/32 Allen head socket. Or I believe it's a T30 Torx. Take out these little bolts. I had these first two started. I remembered to start filming. 3, 4. And I believe we slide it back, pops right off. Get all the dirt out of here. Then we're going to be taking the new bolts supplied with that. That's going to be our mounting point. As you notice, there's only 4 bolts in here from the factory. Nothing in the front and the back, but we will be utilizing those to get our 600 plus pounds of static weight limit on the new roof rack. Took the car wash. Got most of the shit out of there. They just got the original residual marks from those factory crap pieces of shit. You can kind of see it there. I know the instructions say to pre-assemble it on the ground or whatever. Well, I'm by myself, so camera up here. Alright, one at a time, pre-assembly. Got it all laid out rather than doing it on the ground as was suggested. Got the bars in order, each one's a different length. And I got the rubber taped on just so it doesn't move because that's a pain in the ass. Easier to assemble up here when it's just one person. Next step. When you know it, everything that can make fucking noise today is right next to me. Anyway, pre-assembled all the slats, and then pre-assembled, post-assembled on the roof, piece of cake. I don't know if you can hear me. Everybody here making fucking noise today, so this is why we don't pre-assemble. All those underneath the slat. No instructions are given with this, so you just gotta figure it out. I'm halfway through what Dave said. Talk about it. Push down on those bolts to get them started. Alright, we are all done. Tighten those bolts as the end for 6 monkeys said to do. 1/4 inch between the nipple and the rack. So if you get one of these racks, definitely do not attach this front bar first. As you can see, you got to get those bolts underneath. Alright, now that I remember to put a memory card in, let's do a final look at the roof rack. Not too bad. The price was right.